Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. So this is for Aquarius and we're going to do the reading. These are timeless readings, twin flame soulmates connections. Roles can be reversed, remember that. As you can see that there is already the layout, okay, not my usual type. I used to do it way back, okay, and then I started shuffling. I will be shuffling more cards here, but that's how your storyline is, and let's get on this. Okay, fine. So general universal readings may or may not resonate with every one of you out there. Aquarius. So first of all, the intuitive message that is coming here is that it's going to be the loud, L-O-U-D, loud chase, C-H-A-S-E. Now here I see like someone is chasing someone, kind of like trying to get the attention or trying to get in contact here. Whatever someone over here is trying to do, this could be you, this could be in your life, someone is doing it, okay? So whatever is happening, this is about the loud chase where someone is trying to contact the other person, or they will. For some of you, this could be kind of like a reconciliation and the chemistry. Someone over here is feeling that connection of like, I knew this person from a very long time, kind of, okay? Now I'll be using this particular deck because these two flipped out, and the bottom energy is the new love. That's where your storyline begins. The new love, or of course, new love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. This loud chase may be because of this new person's presence somewhere around you. If this is not near, this could be someone from far. This may be anywhere around the corner, around the globe, or maybe they are around you already. So there is some sort of dedication towards here. That's what I see, okay? Yeah. So bottom energy, that second last card is religious factors, and the message is your love life is influenced by a religious upbringing and spiritual path. There is something going on where you are not in the position that your tiara should fall, regardless of the genders here. I feel like you're thinking out of the box. Maybe this person is from a different culture. Yeah, of course, from a different culture. I saw, okay, yes, of course, I'll tell them. Fine. So I do feel some of you are in this particular scenario of marriage for some cases, or a long-term relationship here, howsoever it goes for you. You are becoming single, or you want to be single, or there is something happening and that's why your eye is on new love here. Possible. Now, I saw the child and he looked at me while I was into meditation. He looked at me and he peeped right from the tree. He was standing. He was he, and I can tell you that because in my meditation, he was kind of like a teenager. I sensed it as like more than 10 years. I cannot tell you the exact age, but he was a child. Not a toddler, not an infant, but kind of like 10 plus kind of vibe, okay? And he just ran. He looked at me, his eyes were different. He kind of like he was nervous or feeling insecure somewhere. Maybe possible you're listening and you might be parents. I don't know what is happening here. There is a child. The child. And he just crossed the trees. He ran. I went after him, but he was very, very, very fast. I don't know what he wanted to show me, and he just was whoosh, okay? He ran into some stone area or somewhere in the woods. Now this message may come in the symbolism form, or literally something is happening around there. Maybe someone saw something and they are very frightened. Maybe they are not happy because it is happening inside the home. Something is there which is frightening them. Behavior pattern or something that they are going through. Maybe someone over here as a particular child energy, the missing, they are recording time was 444. They might be feeling frightened, ignored, aloof, and this is alone. This is not solitude, and I don't think that they need it, okay? Because that child was not in right position. I don't see that. But I also saw the loud chase. The loud chase can go for like possibly someone is chasing someone in literal sense out there. I don't know what is happening and where it is happening, because messages are like they connect with us and they give us all the messages once in a just fast forward. I couldn't even control that boy, but I can say that he was a boy, 101%. Now getting back on with your message, someone over here is trying to contact the person. Okay, so it's going to be the loud chase, can go in any ways. Someone who is trying to say to you, trying to reach to you, wanting to say something. There is some sort of that kind of energy where a person is feeling like the chemistry over here. There's a strong magnetic attraction here, definitely with someone, and maybe that's why you are coming in reconciliation here, or maybe someone over here is trying to do this. Okay, if you really want to reconcile with the person or want to make things better, if this is not about new love, this is about the love already, but kind of you're finding it in the new form, then this is going to be something, the measures that you should be taking here to have this. Now, for some cases, it is something connecting from your way past. Okay, this is the card that flipped out from this deck. Six of Hearts, which is Six of Cups energy. Straightforward messages coming, resurgence. Maybe it is already happening, or maybe this is some sort of karmic connection, soulmate, twin flame, howsoever it goes for you. This is connected definitely with the reconciliation, goes in so much of alignment, wherein you people are feeling chemistry, or someone out there, if not one person, the other person is feeling this, that I feel this sort of chemistry even from far. Now there is the ship. Someone is going to move on, leaving behind the past, taking some decision. It's a long way to go here. That's also, the ship is a travel trip, and it's hope for the new movement after something gets over, which is Ten of Swords. For me, Ten of Swords is also saying that someone who cannot move, or it is a very heavy decision definitely, but it is done with the number 10 obviously. But with the ship, it is coming as exploration, move, trips, travel. Someone who is ready to move, means to take the voyage. Possibly you are connecting, or your interest is in someone who is far on some island. An island is there, a far country is there. Maybe you both are from different countries. I mean, and that's why you feel this connection from far. Possible you people are away and you both love one another, you've been in contact. This is Six of Cups. The beautiful relationship is, it's something that someone cannot resist here. Okay, but for many of you, this may go for the ship, a move on energy, voyage. Someone is ready to take the decision here. Okay, so this is also connected with some sort of loud chase here. Someone who might try to explore more. You might be dealing with or dealt with the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This card is definitely something connected with your past energies, someone who is trying to contact you, or having that longing here for someone with whom almost the move on is done. Like you're moving on, the travel is on, the movement is on. Okay, someone here moved on. I also feel like there is someone who is trying to get someone's attention, especially from these two cards. Okay, so we got to go. You can see you are getting Six of Cups energy twice, which is interesting, because from this deck, I just took it out from my drawer, and right before I was settling for the reading, and I just shuffled it, and this card flipped, and I just need to see the bottom energy as well. Yeah, Three of Cups. Someone over here wants to be together with someone, kind of like, let's be friends again. Interest matters, definitely. So you are getting these cards here. Let me say the words first. Six of Cups energy, Two of Cups energy, Queen of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Queen of Pentacles energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the Magician, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Pentacles, and with the Page of Swords energy. Kind of like, I am picking like this is your energy. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius though, but this is an immature energy as well here. But apart from that, this is where your future is heading towards. I see like not accepting Um, Someone over here is getting more possessive about the particular situation or interest. If this is about not the old and the new, then this is the loud chase. I see children getting affected definitely here. I see children, issues connected with them. I mean, someone cannot bear it. No, I also see childhood buddies turning into lovers, twin flames, or soulmate connections, or definitely got married. For some cases, and that's why maybe you are reconciling with that love. Okay, fated version here. I see fated version. Someone is coming back around the corner to get in contact here. Okay, I also see someone who is keeping things to themselves. Could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, you see, there is a reunion call, resurgence call, especially with the Six of Cups energy. Twice is like something coming in full declaration here. Just give me a second, will you? Yes, of course you will. Just give me a second. I might not speak while I'm taking time out. I know what's up with. I may talk with you guys a little bit. I wanna talk to you for a while. Let me tell you. Yep. So I see like this is going to be the biggest move for you for some cases here. I'm also picking kind of like 12. Could be 12 years of marriage. But let me tell you, there is one person who wants to stay. Getting my point? They want to stay. They want to stick. They want to manifest. They want to make it work. But I don't know why. There's one energy who is saying no, not anymore. Okay. And also there is someone who is waiting to get in contact with someone wherever they want to. But definitely for some cases going to be someone you are going to get in contact. Getting in contact with the past person wherein you're going to be very happy. It's going to be the fated version. Yes, there is new love. There is entry of loud chase. There is something connected. And I also feel that you might end up meeting this Queen of Pentacles as well. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. If this is not this person, you're going to get in contact with this person here. Ace of Cups. There is someone who loves you. Okay, this could be your already partner. This could be someone else you had the relation or contact. Okay, there's someone who wants to reunite with you. What's happening here? It's a marriage proposal coming here. If you're not married, there's a marriage proposal. Oh, interesting. Ace of Hearts energy. Aquarius, actually, oh God, there's a heavy demand of reunion from some side. Either a reunion or union. Okay, now you are also getting yourself. Queen of Swords energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. I don't know why. This is someone will try every step through every source to connect with you, new or old. But it's a new future card, future, right? There. Oh. Oh my God, there is going to be communication coming. Either this is Page of Hearts energy, which is water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so what are you going to do? I mean, your upper energy is all about love, union, talking things out, offering or offer. Someone who is going to contact you to talk to you. This is very beautiful actually. But what about your energy? And it's going to be Eight of Wands energy. Someone who is interested in talking to you. I don't know, I feel like that. Or possible this could be the offer from. I feel like there's going to be choices actually. Okay, could be choices, but there is some affectionate message coming towards you. There is and I also feel like people who are going for kind of like here separations and all, okay, if you have a child or children, I don't think that they want you to part. They don't want you to part ways, okay? Like for many of you, they are the reason here to keep you strong. They love you both to be together. I mean, they can decide the individual love here. Even if someone asks them with whom you will be, I mean, they are like saying, I don't know, I want both, okay? Okay, what type of energy you have, Aquarius? Okay, what type of energy you have? Your energy, I was aware about that. Well, the loud chase is all about 10 of Wands energy. Okay, this is something wherein you are no longer either interested in getting involved with someone. These are also the responsibilities, but I also feel like no more drag here. Completing the chapters, you're done with some things. No more, you don't want to feel burdensome. For many of you, why I asked your energy is because I feel like lot is there on the plateau, but I don't know why your energy is like, I'm not interested. I don't know, maybe for some cases, maybe some are totally interested in love and all, but it's like you're not, your whole energy is about you are trying to let your mind decide and not heart, okay? It's like you are letting your heart understand that no, you cannot drag it, no, you cannot do this, because you need to understand what's coming around the corner. There is something that you need to save and secure for yourself and for your future, and that's why you might be saying or ignoring, not exactly ignoring, actually cutting through, saying the truth. I do feel that energy, okay? But there is some exciting news, exciting communication also coming in your future vibe. But all in all, I feel like your vibe is about work mode, or kind of energy like wherein you are focusing on what you have earned. Recording time was 1717, and then here comes the Magician. Remember, there might be some energy around you who might want some benefit from you, talking beautiful with you. The Magician, in one way this could be a trickster or manipulator, but they might be someone who is attracted towards you for your charisma, someone who is feeling like you are the magician, someone who might be feeling that you could be the one, the queen or king as in ways, okay? So someone might be. Your future is definitely beautiful here. With the Wheel of Fortune, things will be turning up good for you. But remember that your energy is 10 of Wands, so don't drag yourself in regardless things. Focus, okay? Focus on what is important for you. I don't know. I feel like because these are timeless readings, these can go for extended levels actually. There's one ant. She's coming to, can you see it? Camera is capturing that. Let her go. Go. Shh. Come on, move. Okay. So that kind of energy. What's in for you? Oh, when I was holding this, I said like, don't let your fortune go away because of what someone says to you. They love you, they like you kind of energy. Don't get played by. I'm also picking con artists around the globe. For the sake of love, they might betray, okay? Or maybe you got betrayed, and that's why you have become experienced now what I have to take care of, what I shouldn't think about. Okay, so this story is going somewhere else even. Let me tell you that I feel like there is someone who is going to contact you. Timeline differs for everyone out there, but there is someone who wants to talk to you. They might end up sending you the message. Reconciling can go that way. Shaking hands with the person possible. I'm having hiccup. And they're looking at you, the best version actually. And they possibly want to surrender here. I see that. They might end up talking with you. But your energy is kind of Four of Pentacles. wherein your things are very much concerned about the everything is like under your control here. That's what I see. Okay, so let's see what's in your future. Call a future wife. 20 minutes away for Aquarius. There is a child, the child. There's a child I talked about in the startup. Need to protect someone? Protect them. Protect them, please. There is someone who is not good, in good shape. They are not good in good shape. Let me tell you that this is faith, innocence, naive nature. Someone, possible there is age difference, a lot of age difference I can see. Yeah, of course. Kind of like depends upon your age group, but there's heavy age difference. I can't even tell that. What age? I picked up like 15-20 years. I don't know. So, well, I know that actually. So what's in your future? Called future wife. There's a whip coming. There's air, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, the sun coming and the moon coming. Okay. Now here you go. This is something of someone who is coming out of sufferings and arguments and hardships, conflicts. It's a purge moment here, wherein someone is coming out of this type of scenario. Someone who kind of like seduced, did that sort of situation, but the whip is all about removing those things. Okay. Maybe this person caused you troubles and you are now good to go, choosing not to reconcile with this person and go beyond. But there's the sun also coming, which is about the beautiful opportunity here, because we look at the sun. But remember, this is something that you are unable to see through. Something is here which is very scorchy. So there might be someone's presence who is attracted towards you, and they might manipulate you or try to, but you should know that you don't know the other side exactly. The moon is dreams, shadows, and cycles and phases and karmic circles as well. But remember, though it seems as the opportunity, there is something that you don't know. This is in the midst of 50-50. The sun and the moon, days and the nights, okay? Or maybe this is something happening where you should be very much aware what is right and what is not. Something that's being shown to you may turn into cycle, may turn into karma. You need to be aware about that. So what you need to use? You need to use the whip as the purge. Kind of like cutting off what is not important for you. Means you cutting the ties off. Not reconciling with the patterns here. Not reconciling with the trickster here, who might show you the beautiful future, but they are not exactly. So maybe they're trying to feel that you're going to be ready for the exploration, kind of, any sort of. And if they say something to you, you're gonna believe it and you will catch up with them, which is not the case actually. They even don't know about you. So if you're trying or you're believing someone, this ant is a symbolism here. Come on, you need to and be the ant and move out, okay, of the situation. The ant is coming on in the reading, okay? Go check the ant symbolism. They're supposed to be coming for reasons, okay? She was not here. I mean, I don't know she or he, but she was not here. Something is there that's telling you that you need to be in this 10 of Wands vibe, okay? I see like fake or heavy promises that people do here, and then they put you in this zone and then you don't know what to do, okay? I can go for more time, but now the time is out. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.